Now I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT.
Yes, this is the prompt.
So I will normally do like a Google Doc. In fact, let me see if I can move this out of the damn way. Let me go to Google Docs here, and I'm just going to go get a new document, blank document. And now I'm going to go to Tools, and I'm going to go down here to Voice Typing.
Oh, so interesting.
Now I don't have to type everything.
You've just taught me something I did not know.
So I'm going to just, with the post I made was how I use this to write a book.
Okay, great.
But you're looking to write an ad.
For example, I write YouTube video scripts. I write email copy. I write,
Okay, so let me just show you what I would do here, okay?
okay,
Keep in mind, my ChatGPT already knows me.
yes,
So it knows a lot about what I'm doing and everything, right?
yes.
Okay. You're an expert YouTube copywriter, and I need you to write me a script for a YouTube video that explains infinite banking in language that a third grader could understand. And I'll fix that in a minute.
Perfect.
Now, if I'm doing a YouTube video, I would probably put my link in here.
Right.
Okay. In this script, explain why infinite banking is one of the best instruments to start anybody's financial portfolio, and name the top 10 reasons why it's better than banks or the stock market or bonds or real estate investing. Stress on the guarantees and stress on the transfer of generational wealth tax-free, and talk about how the infinite banking, because it's backed by a legal reserve life insurance company, is safe from creditors and safe from the government. Please include a call to action in this script to go to the following link. Okay, so I just made a prompt basically.
Yeah. Okay, I see it.
Anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and just copy this, and we'll go ahead and pop it into ChatGPT now. I think ChatGPT closed on me, so I'll just go here. We could do the same thing with Google Gemini.
Right.
Let's go ChatGPT. Let's try to start a new chat completely. Now let's put it in. Well, let's look at the answer.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, it's still typing it, see it?
It's actually putting, and it's even putting in like things that you could, things that you should do in the video. That's amazing.
And there's a call to action with my links. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Okay, now this is new, and it looks like it's working, right?
Looks like it's working great.
Now let's go back here. Now watch what we do here. Please create a description for my YouTube video. It's not working yet.
How to grow wealth safely and tax-free. Description. Discover the powerful concept of infinite banking explained in simple, easy to understand way. In this video, we break down why infinite banking is one of the best tools to start with.
Just did for the description, right?
Yes.
And you'll see that it also included this call to action.
Yeah.
Now watch this. Please rewrite the description and include the call to action in the first sentence of the description, the middle of the description, and the end of description, and add about 10 hashtags that are relevant to the topic.
It didn't put it in the first part, but it gave you the 10 hashtags.
Right, so watch this now. I asked you to include the call to action 3 times, once in the first sentence of the description, once in the middle, and once at the end. Can you please fix that?
Simple. How to grow wealth safely and tax-free. Description. Ready to take control of your finances? Join our community today. /go.com/cashflow-association/about.
Sounds good. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Okay, and let me show one more thing that I would. So if you're doing this on YouTube, now watch this. So now you've got your script, you can make your video, you have your description all ready to put in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now watch this. Give me 10 tags for YouTube without the hashtags and make those comma separated. Oh, now it broke. See it? The voice prompt thing went away.
Yeah, I see.
And that's been a bug that I've been finding. This voice thing on ChatGPT is new. And that's why I used to always use Google Docs.
Right.
But normally I could tell, okay, so I asked for 10 tags that I could load directly into my YouTube listing, and I asked for them without the pound sign or the hashtag sign. Please give me 10 comma separated tags that I could load into my YouTube description.
That sounds right.
And there's the tags.
Perfect.
And you can literally just copy all these and paste them
Yeah,
right
and
into your
paste
tag,
it.
and they'll all be separated. They'll all be separate tags in YouTube. So pretty much, except for recording the video, I just literally made a YouTube video and have everything you need to publish it.
That's really super.
And I'll send you the
Thank you.
recording to this if I can figure
Thank
out
you,
how to do
Ted.
it.
Yeah, that is super, super helpful.